Hello kids, welcome to my channel Happy Learners. Today we will learn shapes. This is black marker, pink color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, yellow color, red color and dark green color. First we draw all the shapes and then we color. Black marker. This is circle shape. This is triangle shape. This is pentagon shape. This is star shape. And this is square shape. This is quarter circle. Yellow color. Now we color all the shapes. This is circle shape and the color is yellow. Pink color. And the shape is triangle. Brown color. And the shape is pentagon. Green color. And the shape is star. Blue color. And the shape is square. Purple color. And the shape is quarter circle. Circle shape, triangle shape, pentagon shape, star shape, square shape and quarter circle shape. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.